Good morning, student of class 6. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the second chapter, which is file management and organization of data. Okay, this is my last video of this chapter regarding this chapter. So let's start discussion. Here you can see the content page of this chapter. I already have discussed up to finding files with Windows searching files with wildcard characters and naming files. Today I am going to discuss about changing the desktop wallpaper, desktop themes, and setting a screensaver with Windows 7. Okay, so these three topics I will discuss in this video. So let's start today's discussion. First is changing the wallpapers. First of all, we need to know what is an wallpaper. Wallpaper is an image or picture used as a background for the desktop. It may contain a Windows picture or user image, solid color of any other pictures. A single picture or a slideshow of selected pictures can be used as the wallpaper. That means the wallpaper is an image or picture. Okay, wallpaper is an image or picture used as a background for the desktop. And you can also use different types of picture as your choice. Okay, so next thing is the changing the Windows wallpaper. To change the wallpaper, follow the given steps. That means first is right click on the desktop and click the personalization option. That means we need to right click on the desktop. Okay, we need to right click on the desktop, and after that a new menu will be open, and then click on the personalization option. Okay, the personalization windows will be open. Here you can see the personalization option window, similar like this. Okay, similar like this personalization option. Next is you can also open the same window by clicking the start control panel personalization. Okay, start control panel personalization. Next is click on the desktop background, choose your desktop background option. The Windows desktop background are listed by default. Okay, here you can see the image. We need to click on desktop background option. Okay, we need to click on desktop background option. Okay, here you can see choose your desktop background. We need to click on this desktop background option. Next point is you can choose your picture library, top rated photos of solid color from your listed box a particular files by clicking the browse button. Here you can see the browse button is here. Okay, if you want to choose another picture from your library or gallery, then you can click browse button. Okay, so next option is choose a single image or multiple image for a slideshow. You can choose multiple image also. Okay, you can choose multiple image also. The next option is for the position of the picture. Okay, for the position of the picture, choose from the option fill. Here you can see the fill option. Okay, here you can see picture position. Okay, you need to click on this and select as per your choice. Okay, select as per your choice. Next thing is for a slideshow, you can define the duration of each picture to range from the 10 seconds to 1 day. Here you can see change the picture every 10 seconds or 30 seconds or 1 day. Okay, or 1 hour. You need to click this option, change picture in every 10 second, 30 second, 1 hour. Okay, next thing is the picture may also randomize using the shuffle checkbox. Here you can see the shuffle checkbox is here. You can if you need to want to shuffle this picture, so you need to check this box. Okay, you need to check this box. So next option is after you have made the selection, click on the save change and set the wallpaper and slideshow your choice. Okay, here you can see save changes option is here. Okay, you need to click this option. Okay, So these are the steps to changing the desktop wallpapers. Okay, these are the steps to changing the wallpaper, and all of you need to practice this on your computer. Okay, next is the desktop theme. The desktop theme is a specific set of picture, colors and sound and screensaver wallpaper. Windows border, colors, mouse pointers and the desktop icons refers under the common heading. Okay, that means theme is a specific set of picture, color, sound, screensaver wallpaper, Windows border, color, mouse pointer and the desktop icon refer under the common heading. Generally Windows have a inbuilt themes which can be applied according to the user choice and the requirements. A theme can be also be customized. That the change the theme needs to be saved so that it use later. Okay, that means theme is a specific सेट ऑफ ए पिक्चर. ओके, स्पेसिफिक सेट ऑफ ए पिक्चर, कलर्स, कुछ भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे, कलर, साउंड, स्क्रीन सेवर, वॉलपेपर सब मिला जुला के एक थीम सेट किया जाता है. ओके, उसी को हम लोग डेस्कटॉप थीम बोलते हैं. टू अप्लाई ए थीम, ओपन द पर्सनलाइजेशन विंडो, लिस्ट ऑफ देम विल पर्टिकुलर थीम टू बी अप्लाइड. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी द themes is here. Here you can see arrow themes. Okay, these is that these are the themes. Okay, you need to click on this and the theme will be changed. Okay, desktop background, Windows color, sound, screensaver. Next is screensaver. Okay, so next is screensaver. A screensaver is an animated picture. A screensaver is an animated pictures or pattern that appears automatically on the computer screen when the computer is left idle to for a specific duration. Windows has many inbuilt screensaver. You can download or create screensaver according to your requirement. That means जब हम लोग कंप्यूटर में काम करना कुछ देर के लिए बंद कर देते हैं तब ऑटोमेटिकली कुछ टाइम बाद 1 मिनट हो सकता है, 10 मिनट हो सकता है, उसके बाद एक ऑटोमेटिकली स्क्रीन सेवर ऑन हो जाता है. ओके, उसको हम लोग स्क्रीन सेवर बोलते हैं. टू सेट ए स्क्रीन सेवर फॉलो दिस स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन द पर्सनलाइजेशन विंडो. हियर यू कैन सी द पर्सनलाइजेशन विंडो, screensaver. We need to select the screensaver option from the window. The screensaver setting dialog box open. Okay, here you can see the screensaver setting dialog box. Select a screensaver from drop down list. Here you can see the drop down list. Okay, drop down list you can select here for your choice. Select a screensaver from your choice. Okay, select the setting to tune the screensaver. Okay, click on the settings to tune the screensaver. Set the duration in the wait box. You can also preview the screensaver before applying the clicking on the preview button. It also has been option for changing the power setting. Here you can see you need to click the screensaver here. Okay, drop down list and wait for 40 minutes. Okay, here you can see the 40 minutes. You can change into 1 minute, 2 minute, 10 minutes. Okay, and on resume display lagoon screen. Okay, so you need to click on this and wait for 1 second, 10 second, 5 second. Okay, after making the required changes, click on the apply. Okay, and the desired screensaver setting will be applied it. Here you can see we need to click then apply. First of all we need to click the apply, then press OK. Okay, then after that the our screensaver will be applied it. Okay, so these are the two topics. First is changing the desktop Windows wallpaper, and next is setting a screensaver with Windows 7. Okay, next is here you can see some inside question answer from this chapter. I have already discussed about this question answer. So today's inside question answer is define wallpaper, define themes, write the steps to change the wallpaper on the desktop background, and define screensaver. Write the steps to set a screensaver on your computer. Okay, so all of you need to write this question answer, 15 inside question answer from the following chapter. All of you need to write this question answer on your computer copy, and also learn the question answer, and all of you should read the chapter very carefully. Okay, so read the chapter very carefully, and I will discuss about the exercise question answer in my next video. So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.